Today I'm sharing with you a healthy banana oatmeal cookie recipe and some healthy oatmeal bowl recipe. Welcome back to our simple home. For the healthy banana oatmeal cookie recipe, I start with 2 ripe bananas. I peel both bananas and place them in a bowl. For this recipe, you actually don't need much. You need a bowl and a fork and 3 ingredients. 2 bananas, mash them with a fork. I used bananas with just a few brown spots. You can use very brown bananas, they work as well too. 1 cup of gluten-free quick oats, or you can use rolled oats if you want. Quick oats will be softer. I stir everything well, then I use 1/4 cup of walnuts and cut them into little pieces. Well, you need a knife for chopping the walnuts, so it's not totally true, just a fork and a bowl. If you want, you can substitute the walnuts with chocolate chips, raisins, or other nuts. That will work too. Once the walnuts are chopped, I transfer them into the bowl. Combine everything well. Now I take a medium cookie scoop, or I just make heaps of cookie dough onto the prepared baking sheet. If you enjoyed this video so far, please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. That means a lot to me. Thank you very much. This healthy banana oatmeal cookie recipe is so easy to make. You have it done in no time, and you can use it for breakfast, for lunch or lunch boxes, and have it on the go. It's so easy and handy, and you don't even have to wash lots of dishes after making those cookies. So it's all good here and healthy. I preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I didn't preheat the oven earlier because I want the quick oats to soak up the moisture from the bananas. That's why I'm only heating up the oven now, so it has a little time to soak up the moisture. So now I'm shaping my cookies a little more so they look neat. Once the oven is preheated, I bake the cookies for about 20 minutes. Now I let the cookies cool off and I show you the healthy oatmeal recipe. I add 2 tablespoons in each bowl. That is not much of oatmeal, but if you add fruit and everything, it will be enough for us, for the kids. But you can use any amount. Just use, let's say, if you use 2 tablespoons, you add 1/4 of hot water, boiled water. If you use 1/4 of oatmeal, you use the double, so you use half a cup of boiling water. So that's how you do it. You can just do the amount you want and just the double amount of hot water. So then I cover it and let it stand for a few minutes. Meanwhile, my daughter is peeling off the banana and will mash the banana. My kids wanted to do their own oatmeal bowl, so maybe that's an idea for yourself, maybe to do it with your kids or with your grandkids. Now about after 5 minutes I uncover the oatmeal and I see all the water is soaked in, so now every kid can do their own oatmeal. So my daughter is transferring the mashed bananas into her and her little brother's oatmeal bowl. My son uses some grapes for his oatmeal bowl. This oatmeal is not sweetened, so the fruit, like the banana, will give lots of sweetness to the oatmeal bowl, and also sweet grapes and strawberries or any kind of sweet fruit. Now my daughter is using some strawberries and my son has grapes, strawberries, and now he's sprinkling some unsweetened coconut on top. The fun part is here everyone can create their own bowl the way they like it, the way it tastes good for them, and it's so much fun and lots of creation here. So the kids enjoy doing this. So yeah, my oldest son used some sesame seeds also and sliced almonds, and my daughter also sprinkled some coconut and then also some sesame seeds and almonds. My oldest decided to sprinkle some cinnamon on top, and the other ones will also use some cinnamon and sprinkle on top. So be creative, just create your own oatmeal bowl and have fun with it. This is how my daughter's healthy oatmeal bowl turned out. My oldest son healthy oatmeal bowl and my youngest son oatmeal bowl. For the last bowl, I quickly chopped some walnuts and a little bit of chocolate. I use dark chocolate, but you can use any chocolate you like or chocolate chips if you prefer. I sprinkle the walnuts onto my oatmeal. Then I use the leftover strawberries and place them on the side there, and also some of the grapes. Last I add the chocolate to it, and here you go. That's my little oatmeal bowl. Here we have everything nicely decorated, but not for long, it will be gone in a blink. Here I open one cookie for you. There, you can even see some mashed bananas in there. And the oatmeal, so it tastes very healthy and good. The banana sweetens it good. See, there all my kids picked one and wanted to show the inside also. There, and all of them will take one bowl and it will be gone. I will also taste the oatmeal bowl, and here you can see the strawberries and the grapes, the chocolate, some walnuts, and the oatmeal. It's soft and it tastes very good with all the fruit and some chocolate and nuts. I love it. Well, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Maybe you want to watch this video next or maybe this playlist. See you there. Bye.